I've already made a video showing you how to upgrade the speakers in the new Bachmann Class 31. If you haven't watched that one yet, you might find it useful to watch it first. This model was sent by another customer for a speaker upgrade and a stay alive. Start by removing the 4 body screws and disconnect the 2 white plugs. For models with factory sound which use a Zimmo decoder, use one of the AE model's stay alives. If you're using a Loksound decoder, then use a Train-o-matic SPP-N. The stay alive has to be soldered directly onto the decoder, so if this isn't something that you're confident doing, you can send the model to us and it's a service that we can do for you. I've already taken the 2 sugar cube speakers off this model, ready to upgrade the speakers. At first I was going to try and put the stay alive under the circuit board just to keep it out of the way, but it just meant that the circuit board sat a little bit too high in the middle, so I changed my mind and put it on top. I stuck the stay alive onto the circuit board using sticky dots. This is better than using black tack because sometimes the stay alives get a little bit hot and you don't want the black tack to melt inside your model. If you're finding this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you don't already. It helps more people find these videos. Here you can see me fitting the replacement mega bass speakers, which I've already covered in the last video, so I won't go into any extra detail here, but it does improve the sound a lot, so it's well worth doing if you've already got the body off to fit a stay alive. Everything that we've used in this video to upgrade the model is available on the Roads & Rails website. We also accept customers' models for upgrades, so get in touch if there's anything we can do for you.